In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add blog posts to your Squarespace website. Whether you're a small business owner, a creative professional, or just someone looking to share your thoughts online, maintaining a blog can be a fantastic way to connect with your audience. Squarespace makes this process simple and intuitive, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create and publish your blog posts with ease. If you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. All right, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Squarespace website and log into your account. If you're already signed into your Google account, you can also use the Continue with Google option for quicker access. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Next, click on the website where you'd like to add your blog post. This is especially important if you manage multiple sites under the same account. After selecting the right website, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a section labeled Pages. Go ahead and click on that. Now, within the Pages menu, you'll find a list of all the pages and sections that are part of your website. Scroll through until you come across the option labeled Blog. If you've already set up a blog on your site, it will appear here. Click on Blog to open up the blog management area. Once you're inside the blog section, you'll see an area labeled Blog Content. This is where all your current and past blog posts are displayed. To create a new post, look for the plus icon, usually located at the top of the page. Click on that and a blank post editor will open up. Here's where the creative part begins. Start by filling in the title of your new blog post. Think of this as the headline that will grab your reader's attention. After that, move into the main content area. You can type out your blog post directly here or paste it in from another document. Squarespace's editor is designed to be user-friendly, so you can easily format your text, add headings, and include links. If you'd like to enhance your post visually, you can also upload images or other media directly into the editor. This is a great way to make your content more engaging and dynamic. Once you've added all your content and are happy with the way everything looks, it's time to publish your post. Simply click the Publish button, and your new blog post will go live on your website. If you're not quite ready to share it yet, you can save it as a draft or schedule it to go live at a later time. Squarespace gives you the flexibility to manage your posts in a way that works best for you. And there you have it. You've just learned how to add a blog post to your Squarespace website. This process is quick and straightforward, and it allows you to focus on creating great content for your audience. If you have any questions or need help with other Squarespace features, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.